back to another video. I'm going to show you how I make my green season blend. You see I use it time to time in my recipes here on the channel. I'm going to be using Scotch bonnet pepper. I have over here pimento berries, scallion, thyme, onion. I have garlic. I have a little piece of ginger. I don't want to overpour it with the ginger, so I choose to use a small amount. I have over here as well celery, and this is broadleaf thyme. Now for the broadleaf thyme, right, you can get it maybe at your market or something. I got mine from a friend. The texture of it feels like kiwi, right, but it's very nice. It has a nice flavor. You can also use it to make tea, guys, or incorporate it in your recipes. You will see I make it in my green season blend now. If you don't have this, you can always use any seasoning you have, like parsley. If you don't have celery, you can have use more scallion, or play around with your seasoning blend, guys. It's more concentrate, so when you're cooking, you tend to use other seasoning, but I guess when all of these flavors come together and marinate over time, the flavor is much more nicer in the dish. And I love using it in my rice and peas or in my stews and stuff. It just brings up the flavor, right? If you don't want to use the purple onions, you can always use the regular white onions. Garlic is a must. Right? Alright, so stick around, guys. I'll show you how I do it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like it, and subscribe to the channel. Alright, so we're going to just cut the scallion in a nice size to fit in the food processor. The texture of your green seasoning blend depends on which gadget you use. I find that when you use so if you're going to use the blender, you may want to add like a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of water just to support the vegetable to move them up freer in the blender. If you're using the food processor, maybe your seasoning blend won't come as smooth as when you get it in the blender. It just depends on what you're using, all right? And for your Scotch bonnet pepper, I will remove some of the seeds from it. Remember, the seed carry the heat. So if you don't want so much spice in your green season blend, please remove this. Oh my God, this one smells hot already. I mean, I even started. All right, so if you don't want it to be that spicy, just remove the pit. All right. And if you're scared of using the pepper, you can just wear gloves, but you don't know, through me used to it already. So in this, I'm using 2 pepper. I'll use half of the pepper seed, and the next half here I'm going to take it out because I can smell this pepper is really hot. And we have the garlic. That's about everything. We have the broadleaf thyme and the pimentos. Alright, guys, so I'm going to show you something in case you want to preserve your vegetables in the fridge, like your celery here. What I did was to store it in a Ziploc bag. I actually wet the paper towel, and this, guys, is 2 weeks old. Still green, still fresh. So what I mean? So I just put the wet paper towel over it and just keep it in the fridge, right? Just a little kitchen tip. All right, so what we're going to do now is to add the seasonings. And depending on what you're going to do with the green season blend, you can add all basil, all right? So it just depends on the flavor profile that you're going for. Okay, guys, this is the end result of our green season blend. Remember, you can add this green season blend to different recipes that you're doing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Most importantly, I hope you give it a try. Until next time, guys. Bye.